Hello, this is Trevor Sheridan of appleandapps.com, taking an in-depth look at Mountain Lion, and this is probably the biggest feature of Mountain Lion, and that's hugely deep iCloud integration, and that includes deep integration into reminders, notes, the notification system, and then, of course, Pages and Apple's entire iWork suite of numbers and Keynote. And we have Pages right here running on iMac and a MacBook Air, both have Mountain Lion, and then Pages on iPad and iPhone. And we're going to try to show you the best version of showing that when you make a change on one document on the iPad, for example, that change appears within a minute, and so far it's been a few seconds, right on the other three devices. And that works no matter which one you start from and which other ones you're going to. And then when you think that most of the time you're going to be doing this, say you type up a document on your MacBook Air and then you have your iPhone or iPad out and you're going to make changes, whenever you have a little bit of time after that. So these changes are as silky smooth as you could imagine. It works effortlessly, as all you need to do is sign up for an iCloud account and you're pretty much up and ready to go. In terms of the actual Mountain Lion integration, Pages has been updated, and this also works for text edit, and if any other third-party apps are updated, it's going to work for that as well, and it's going to connect across Macs or Mac to iOS, iOS to Mac, all that kind of stuff. And right here you see when you save a document, you now can save to iCloud. You save directly to iCloud right there with Pages on the Mac. And then that document then appears up on your iOS devices and any other Mac devices you have. And then we're just going to do a few more changes to these documents to show how quickly the changes appear and occur across all the different Apple devices. I mean, they've really integrated this super well. This is really 9 months in the making, because we thought this kind of would be part of Lion. Lion just gave us mobile me features. Now Mountain Lion integrates documents in the cloud, and it goes full on iCloud, so you really always have everything in sync across all your Apple devices. Apple's obviously limiting it to their own ecosystem, but still, if you're already bought into Apple's ecosystem, since Mountain Lion is just going to be an upgrade for most of you, you're ready and willing and able, and it works effortlessly, perfectly, and this is what we wanted all along. When it comes down to it, iCloud in Mountain Lion on the Mac is exactly as advertised. Apple, they claim iCloud is automatic in the background, and that's exactly how this implementation works, in our early testing through the various builds and now the final public release. For our particular real-world example, I might type up a document up on my MacBook Air out somewhere, and then, go and finish it up on my iMac and then post it into WordPress for the articles you can read. Or I can type up on the iPad and then do the final formatting on the MacBook Air, and that same words that I type are going to be in sync across no matter which device I want to access that particular document. And also, as a side note, in Lion, Apple introduced autosave and versions, and now this is going to give you one step on top of that with iCloud. So now there's 3 ways to make sure you never lose a single word that you ever type in one of these documents or number, compilation or keynote presentation slide. And I hope you can see in all these videos the little thumbnail documents are changing, as I make changes on the big documents. Apple really nailed it with Mountain Lion and iCloud, and it works perfectly. I can't say it enough because it does, and it's just simply great to have your Macs and iOS devices in sync for any different apps that you use, whether right now it's Apple apps and in future it's going to be third-party apps. So that's Mountain Lion with iCloud, documents in the cloud in particular, and this is appleandapps.com. Hope you enjoyed.